Day 2 Magical Rock. So, I'm reading this. Reflect upon your present blessings, of which every man has plenty, not on your past misfortunes, of which all men have. Here, what you have to do, you have many blessings. So, you have to see your blessings. Okay, in the beginning of working with these practices, it takes concentrated days in a row to make gratitude a habit. Anything that reminds you to be grateful is helping you turn your life into gold with gratitude. And that is exactly what this magical practice is about. So, what will happen here? It's very difficult to count our blessings. We are not feeling gratitude as we are having many uh, things for which we can feel gratitude, but it's very difficult. Lee Broad presented the gratitude rock practice in The Secret Film and the book when he told us the story of the father of dying child who used a gratitude rock to be grateful for his son's health, and his son made a miraculous recovery. Since then, the gratitude rock has been proven success with many people the world over and who have used it for money, healing, and happiness. So, this Lee Broder has used this rock practice in the movie Secret Film as well as in his book. So, what he did, it is a story of father whose child was dying, who has used a gratitude rock to recover the health of his son. So, after using that rock, his son's health was recovered. What you have to do, first of all, find a rock or stone. It can be outside, wash it, clean it properly. Choose a small size that fits in palm of your hand that you can close your fingers around. Choose a rock that is smooth, without sharp edges, not too weighty, and that feels really good in your hand when you hold it. What you have to do, you have to take a rock, hold it in your hands, in your fingers, and you have to see that rock should be very small. It should not have huge weight. It should not have sharp edges. So it should not be very big so that you can hold it in your hands. So it should be very according to the size, that should be very small and it should be holded in your hands. You can find a magic rock from your garden if you have one, or from the a riverbed, creek, ocean, or park. You can find it from anywhere. If you don't have easy access to any of these places, then ask your neighbor, family, friends. You may even have a precious rock or stone already that you can use as your magic rock. You can have old stones also. When you have found your magic rock, put it by your bedside in a place where you will definitely see it when you go to bed. Clear some space if necessary so that you can easily see your magic rock when you go to bed. If you use an alarm clock, put it next to your alarm clock. Okay, so it should be kept nearby your bed so that you can easily see it whenever you want to use it. Tonight, just before you get into bed to go to sleep, pick up your magic rock, hold it in your palm of one hand, and close your fingers around it. Think back carefully through all the good things that happened during the day and fit the best thing that happened that you are grateful for. Then say the magical word thank you for the best thing that happened. Return the magic rock to its place by your bed, and that is it. So just you have to say thank you for the best thing happened during the day. Every night for the next 26 days, follow the same magic rock practice. Before you go to sleep, think back through the day and find the best thing. So what do you have to do? You have to hold that magical rock in your hand and feel the great gratitude for the thing that has happened during the day, which is very good, best thing. Okay, and say thank you. Using rocks seems like a very simple thing to do, but through the practice, you will see magical things start happening into your life. When you look for the best thing that happened during the day, you will search through many good things that happened. And the process of searching, then deciding on the best one you are actually thinking of. Many things you are grateful for. You will also be ensuring that you go to sleep and wake up in gratitude each day. So there may be many things which you are feeling that happen today are very good. So but you have to find the best out of all. Okay. So same way you have to say thank you to while sleeping as well as while getting up. Okay. So gratitude you have to feel. Count your blessings. Magic rock practice will ensure that you begin and end your day in a state of gratitude. Gratitude has huge power. So start your day and end your day, or while sleeping you should say gratitude. Feel the gratitude. In fact, they are so powerful that together they would change your life in a few months. But this book is designed to change your life really fast through an abundance of magical practices. Because gratitude is a magnetic and attract more things to be grateful for. Concentration of gratitude over 28 days will intensify magnetic force of your gratitude. When you have strong magnetic force of gratitude, like magic, you automatically magnetize everything you want and need to do. So, as we have heard, like attracts like. So, if we are grateful for the good things start increasing. You will get the chances to be grateful for many things. So be sure to read uh, the practice for tomorrow also. So what practices you have to do today? So let us take another look for this. You have to repeat the step as you did day one. Okay, so count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why for those blessings, why you are grateful for. Then reread. At the end of each blessing you have to say thank you and thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Okay, so main thing is for the feeling for the gratitude. Feeling should be from heart. Okay, if you're feeling it you from heart, you will see the magic will start happening. Find a magic rock and put it by your bedside. Before going to sleep today, hold your magic rock in your hand and think of the best thing that happened today. And say the magic word, thank you for the best thing that happened today. So repeat the magic rock practice every night for the next 26 days. So, so that's it. You have to do the practice day first. Practice 10 blessings. Write down 10 blessings and then write why for those. Read them louder. Say thank you, thank you, thank you. And then you have to take a rock, keep nearby your bed, and before sleeping, yes, you have to say thank you for the best thing happened during the daytime. So this is a day 2 practice for gratitude.